everyone. I am going to make raita a side dish here in Pakistan whenever they are preparing some food for party or at home. And it's really one of the best, and I like it really. So here I am going to use 2 tomatoes, 1 cucumber, green chili, and 4 onions, but it's up to you if how much do you want. And then cut into cubes, and it's up to you as well if how big do you want. All right, just cut like that, and same as the tomatoes. All right, cut them the same way as well. It's up to you if you want to remove um, the seeds, but here I don't remove the seeds. And then onions in the same way as well. All right, and I am going to use 2 cups of unflavored yogurt, and it is also homemade yogurt, and then mix with chat masala. But if you don't have chat masala, you can also use black pepper, then salt. It's up to you how much do you want, but I use here one teaspoon of salt, and then mix all the ingredients together just like that. And also I use half teaspoon of garlic paste. Okay, just make them or mix them nicely or thoroughly. Flavored it with green chili, or you can also use coriander, just for the flavor, and it really adds the taste and also the smell. It's very nice, tasty. All right, so it's ready. Let's eat.